Did you know that what you drink can have a huge impact on your eye health? In today's video, we're revealing the 5 powerful drinks that not only protect your eyes but can actually help repair your vision. From fighting off harmful blue light to reducing strain, these drinks are packed with nutrients that your eyes will love. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp and your eyes in top shape, stick around, you won't want to miss this. Our eyes are vital to our overall health and well-being. They are not only the organs that provide us with the sense of sight, but they also contribute to our ability to engage in daily activities, work, and enjoy the beauty of the world around us. As such, taking care of our eyes and maintaining good vision is of paramount importance. The modern lifestyle, however, often exposes our eyes to various harmful factors, including prolonged screen time, poor diet, environmental pollution, and aging. Fortunately, a healthy diet rich in specific nutrients can play a key role in protecting and even repairing the eyes. In this video, we will delve into 5 drinks that have been shown to protect eye health and promote vision repair. These drinks are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for maintaining the health of the eyes. By incorporating these drinks into your daily routine, you can help safeguard your eyes from damage and support their overall functionality. 1. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is often touted as one of the best drinks for improving and protecting vision, and for good reason. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the function of the retina, particularly in its ability to adapt to changes in light. This vitamin is also vital for preventing night blindness, a condition that impairs one's ability to see in low-light conditions. How carrot juice protects eyes. Carrot juice is a rich source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining the health of the retina, cornea, and other parts of the eye. It also helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage the cells in the eye and contribute to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin A helps improve overall vision and is known to prevent night blindness. By ensuring adequate intake of vitamin A, carrot juice can enhance your ability to see in dim light. The antioxidants in carrot juice, including beta-carotene, help neutralize harmful free radicals, which can reduce the risk of eye diseases such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Studies have shown that a diet high in antioxidants can help protect the retina from oxidative damage and inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that beta-carotene, along with other carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, may reduce the risk of cataract formation and macular degeneration. The American Optometric Association recommends increasing your intake of foods rich in beta-carotene, such as carrots, to promote healthy vision and reduce the risk of eye diseases. How to incorporate carrot juice into your diet. Carrot juice can be enjoyed on its own or combined with other fruits and vegetables to enhance its flavor and nutritional profile. Consider mixing carrot juice with orange juice, apple juice, or a touch of ginger to create a refreshing, nutrient-packed drink. 2. Spinach and kale smoothie. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are well known for their numerous health benefits, including their ability to protect and repair vision. These vegetables are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that are concentrated in the retina and help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin are particularly important for preventing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. How a spinach and kale smoothie protects eyes. These antioxidants are found in high concentrations in the macula, a small area of the retina responsible for central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin help filter harmful blue light and protect the retina from oxidative stress caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. Lutein and zeaxanthin have been shown to improve retinal health by reducing inflammation and promoting better blood circulation to the eye. Regular consumption of foods rich in these antioxidants can help prevent or slow the progression of age-related eye diseases, such as AMD and cataracts. Studies suggest that a diet high in lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of cataracts, a clouding of the lens of the eye that leads to vision impairment. These antioxidants help protect the lens from oxidative damage and support its clarity. Research has shown that lutein and zeaxanthin can improve visual performance, particularly in low contrast and glare conditions. By incorporating spinach and kale into your diet, you may experience improved visual acuity, especially in challenging lighting environments. A study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology found that a higher intake of lutein and zeaxanthin was associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. The American Academy of Ophthalmology also recommends increasing lutein and zeaxanthin intake to help prevent age-related eye diseases and protect the retina from oxidative damage. How to make a spinach and kale smoothie. To make a nutrient-packed spinach and kale smoothie, blend a handful of spinach and kale with fruits like bananas, apples, or berries. You can also add a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or almond butter for extra nutrition. 3. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are renowned for their powerful antioxidant properties, which extend to promoting eye health. They are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that gives the berries their vibrant color. Anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that help protect the eyes from oxidative damage and improve circulation to the retina. They have been shown to improve visual acuity and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. How blueberry juice protects eyes. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative damage to the retina can contribute to conditions like cataracts, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. Studies have shown that consuming blueberries can enhance night vision by improving blood flow to the eyes. The anthocyanins in blueberries help improve the function of the retina and optic nerve, making it easier to see in low-light conditions. Blueberries have been shown to improve retinal health by supporting the integrity of the blood-retina barrier and reducing inflammation. This can help protect the retina from damage caused by environmental factors such as UV light and pollution. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to a reduced risk of age-related eye diseases, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. The antioxidants in blueberries help neutralize free radicals and prevent cellular damage in the eyes. For tomato juice, tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including protecting eye health. Lycopene is a carotenoid that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals and UV rays. It has also been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. How tomato juice protects eyes. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Studies have shown that lycopene can help prevent the formation of cataracts and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Research suggests that a diet rich in lycopene may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Lycopene helps protect the retina from oxidative damage and inflammation, which can contribute to the development of AMD. Lycopene helps maintain the integrity of the eye's blood vessels and tissues, ensuring that the eyes receive proper nourishment. This can help support long-term eye health and reduce the risk of eye diseases. Lycopene may also improve visual acuity by enhancing the function of the retina and improving blood circulation to the eyes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher intake of lycopene from tomatoes was associated with a reduced risk of macular degeneration. 5. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is not only a refreshing and tropical beverage, but it is also packed with nutrients that can be beneficial for eye health. This juice is rich in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that plays a vital role in protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and promoting the repair of damaged tissues. Vitamin C is particularly important for maintaining the health of the cornea and retina and is a powerful ally in preventing cataracts and macular degeneration. How pineapple juice protects eyes. Pineapple juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Vitamin C is essential for the maintenance of collagen in the eye, which helps protect the cornea and support the overall structure of the eye. Collagen also plays a crucial role in the healing of damaged tissues and supporting the blood vessels in the retina. Several studies have shown that adequate vitamin C intake can reduce the risk of cataracts. Since cataracts are primarily caused by oxidative stress, The antioxidant properties of vitamin C help minimize this damage, reducing the chances of cataract formation over time.